What is the difference between function and formula in Excel? What is the difference between those two when speaking of Microsoft Excel?
A formula is statement written by the user to be calculated. Formulas can be as simple or as complex as the user wants. A formula can contain values, references to cells, defined names, and functions. All formulas must start with the equals sign. Equals 1 plus 2 plus 3. A function is a piece of code designed to calculate specific values and are used inside formulas. Functions to some values, calculate a trigonometric cosine, and to calculate the current time are built into Excel. Additional functions can be defined using Visual Basic. Functions are typed alongside parentheses, wherein the arguments, if any, are listed in between. To use functions in a formula, for example, equals cos 3.14 will return the calculated cosine. Equals now returns the current time. Equals sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, asterisk 2 will multiply the sum by 2. Source.
A function is a built-in operation, such as sum, average, etc. A formula, also known as an equation, is something that the user defines and can use to refer to various functions in it. A formula starts with an equals sign, such as sat smiley d1 plus d2, $3. They are similar in that both return a result based on the calculations that each performs. The difference is that a function is a built-in calculation, while a formula is a user-defined calculation. A formula could just use a single function. For example, if you enter equals average, A1 column A56, that is a formula, using the average function. If you enter equals sum, G4 plus A5, 25 asterisk minute, B3 column B6, that is a formula which uses both the sum function and the minute function, as well as standard mathematical operators, dash, plus, asterisk.